Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's Meny here and I'm here with another video on Simple Coin, of course. So their token name SMPL. So Simple Coin, they have made several announcements regarding their listing dates and all that. So I'm going to be covering that in this video to tell you guys the possible listing dates and how to prepare very well and position well for the airdrop. So firstly, before I go into this video, if you haven't subscribed already, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and of course you can join our WhatsApp community where we discuss everything airdrop. So let me just get quickly into this. So as you can see, here is my balance, about 42 million simple, of course. So I won't be taking this airdrop seriously. I don't take most of the airdrop seriously nowadays, but a few of them I take very seriously. I mean Telegram airdrops. So as you can see, listing, if I go to listing, you see withdraw coin, withdraw a simple coin. So I'm guessing a lot of you might have known about this. You basically withdraw to the app. It's the app that Simple Coin will be listing. Simple is actually an exchange, so this is their own token. This is, I don't know if this will be their own exchange native token, but all I know is actually their token. They might not really make it their native token, but is actually them, so it might actually do well. Simple Coin is a UK based exchange platform basically. So if you see, I usually earn about 200,000 every 8 hours. So I'm going to claim. It's still showing collecting, of course. It's kind of delayed. So I've successfully claimed and all that. So if you log in to the actual app, you earn about 10,000 simple. And this other, if you watch their YouTube videos or invite more friends, there are so many tasks here to complete, which of course I don't complete. I basically don't even check them. There are so many tasks. So that's it. And if you go to partners, you see many airdrops, of course, which of course you can actually participate in the airdrop and submit your ERC20 address. So the tokens, they said January. I've not seen anything today. Till date, I've basically not seen anything. So that's what they said. So I'm going to go to the listing aspect. Firstly, this project actually announced their TGE to be in the fourth quarter of 2024, and currently we are almost in the end of first quarter of 2025, and there has been basically no much improvement. So let me just show you guys what their roadmap says. So let me just show you guys what their roadmap says. So there are so many things in the roadmap, and this project basically, they just come on Telegram and they just want to launch. Most of them are actually trying to just advertise their businesses and go with the promise of airdrop, and at the end of the day they will give those. So I like to implore people to actually do research, actually search for projects with high utility. So it's not just any project that you join. So as you can see right here, this is their roadmap. So if you check very well, this is roadmap, and they have made this announcement, and they have done partner engagement, which of course is part of the money that elephant thing that I dropped right there is part of it. So it's left for listing, and they've actually made some teasing that listing will be in the first quarter of 2025. First quarter of 2025, Q1 of 2025. And up till now, there has basically been no announcement. They haven't made any further announcement. Instead, there are other things that is actually going on that I would like to show you guys. As you can see, at first they did not allow people with less than 20 referrals to withdraw, but now everyone can actually withdraw. So this is basically what this project has been doing right now. Although I won't say they're actually not all about the airdrop, I must confess, but basically what they have been doing is doing giveaway, iPhone giveaway. They have been doing this for quite a very long time, and they are giving iPhone giveaway. Okay, if you guys are doing this and they said the winner will be announcing on the 3rd of March. To enter, you need to spend at least $100 to buy and then swap at least $1,000. So I don't understand. There has basically been no announcement, and if you check their comment section, you see a lot of persons that are actually complaining. Okay, yeah. This one right here said, make on a list. They talk about iPhone 16 list abeg. So this other guy, came here, and it was like, Meny gave out Lambo and did users dirty, and I don't understand. It's really crazy. It's really crazy. It's really crazy. So there are a lot of things that are actually happening, and Alex, the owner of Simple Coin, hasn't really made any announcement. So let me search for Alex. Alex Simple Coin. Yeah, Alex from Simple. So this is the CEO of Simple Coin. So this is the CEO of Simple Coin, and basically he has not really posted anything other than promote the iPhone 16 giveaway, which is a little bit, should I say, somehow, based on the fact that iPhone 16 is just about, I think it's $2,000. I don't really know. I'm not a big Apple fan, although I like a couple of Apple products. So this is what they said: if you could add one thing to Simple, what would you do? Except listing an airdrop, it will happen anyway. This is what they said: it will happen anyway. And there has basically been no announcement. Listing. So, listing dates. Everybody are literally saying the same thing. Listing, airdrop, convert to another coin, listing, lucky draw instead of auction. So they created this auction of a thing where you have to spend Simple Coin to actually get something, and the CEO was like, it's just like that guy that bought pizza with 10,000 Bitcoin in I think it's 2010. So basically what they are just doing now is probably, I don't know if I should say it's a joke, but lower your expectations for these airdrops. Not just Simple Coin, most of these Telegram airdrops. You can also just join Spark Chain, which I will be dropping the link in the description. It's a deepin project, just like Grass. Of course, I did a video covering it. I'll also be dropping the link to the video in the description, and that's just it. So these projects, I don't know when they will be listing. They have been on Telegram for a very long time, and there has not been any announcements as of now. And if you ask me if they are scam or not, I can't really jump to conclusion. You can still just earn by investing your K Simple, which of course I dislike because I lost a couple of my tokens there. You can just use it to buy any coin. So I lost a couple of my coins right here. So I lost a couple of my coin. So you can just use it to buy, set the multiplicator, and then trade with it. I'm going to risk a little less, and I'm just going to buy. I don't know, let me just set my take profit. It's not working. No. I don't know. Anyhow you guys want to trade, that just left. So that's just basically what this project is all about. So this is Spark Chain right here. It's not actually a Telegram project. They are actually doing a great job. So just like Grass, some huge announcement. They'll be listed on Solana, of course. So it's going to be a huge deepin project. You can actually just join it, and of course you're not going to regret that you did. So basically you can check the video out. The link will be in the comment section, in the pinned comment to be specific. So just join it and see how it goes. As for Simple Coin, I can't tell if it's scam or legit. I have not even traded with their exchange before, so I can't really say. I can't review an exchange that I've not really traded with. I don't need to call them out immediately. So all I have to say is, whatever you are doing, do it with caution. Don't, because of the iPhone, and rush to trade with their exchange, since they haven't given you the airdrop. So you just have to be careful with anything that you're doing currently. There is a lot of bad news in the crypto market space currently, so you have to just be careful enough. Protect yourself, safety first. Anyway, that's it for this video. I would actually end there, and I will say thanks for watching this video, and of course, as usual, I will see you on the next one.